Okay, we are back again here on the farm, and I will try to see if I can find the bulls out in the field. You can check it out. This is still just a test of the video recording of this incredible camera I bought. I'm so amazed because it's in a full high resolution HD, and let's go and check it out. Alright, let's go down the road here. Yeah, now we're on the road down to one of the fields where all the bulls are. See if we can see if there are any down there or they're hiding. Because three of them are going to, as far as I know, getting shot at a certain point. Because you can't use them here at the farm for reproduction because that won't work. You have to get the bulls for reproducing cows out from other places so we don't get it all craziness like the family of England, the kingdom there, where they all inbreeded, you know. All right, we're getting down the road here. We're getting close to one of the fields where they normally are. I'm going to pass a small stream here, which is a very nice stream. There are actually big trouts in here. And very soon, you know, we can go down and do some fishing and things like that here. And just try to zoom in on it here a little bit. It's a little bridge down at the end there my friend built. And it's a cool place. It really is. All right, let's go around here. Go right here. It's a house. I actually painted this whole house. This is part of the farm. There's nobody living in there. I actually asked if I could rent it, but there's some problem with the government and shit like that. All right, here are the bulls. They're out there checking things out. I guess they're eating. Yeah, they're out there on the wagon. Zoom in on them. See if we can get a more close-up look at them. There they are. The big hanger underneath. Those ones are actually only, I think they're 1 year old, a little bit over 1 year old, so they're pretty young bulls. But they will get big. So let's see. Oh, a little shaking here. It's tough when it's on zoom, you know. Let's just turn around here. This is land around here, you know. There's a field around here. That place over there is actually the second house we have here on the farm. It's all empty too. Nobody's living in there either. It's sad. It's pretty sad, but that's how it works. Because actually the farm here is run by the government, so you can't do things really. But this is the house. Okay, and I will finish this one for this time. Now we just saw what it all is. So, okay, enjoy. Have a good afternoon. Bye.